Good morning, London! This morning we are going to be doing a walking tour to visit all the big sites here in London. We're going to start with Big Ben because we heard that it gets really packed. So while it's early, we're going to get our best views of Big Ben and then we'll continue exploring the city. So far, London reminds me of New York City a lot. New York City is one of my favorite cities in the entire world. I can easily say that London has climbed to the top of my list. I am obsessed with the city, the food, the people, the vibes, everything about London is just amazing. There it is, the London Eye. I'm so excited, we're here. See you at the Big Ben. A quick fun fact about Big Ben is that Big Ben is actually not the clock tower. It is the bell inside the clock tower that rings every hour. That is something interesting that I learned here while in London, because that is not the typical conception of what people think when they think Big Ben. I have to say, Big Ben is insane. I don't think there is a video, photo, postcard in this world that gives it justice. If you get a chance to come visit Big Ben, we highly recommend coming kind of early. Right now it's about 10 o'clock, and while there's people, it's not insane. You still get to get some great photos and have an amazing experience. Honestly, I'm so happy we're here. I am obsessed with this city. Gosh, you guys, look! The famous telephone booth. Okay, we're gonna have to get in it. Apparently, we can't get in it anymore. Look, this kiosk is protected for future generations. So we're gonna have to find another one. There are some downtown where you can actually go in and there's phones and everything just like old times. So we're gonna have to find ourselves one of those while we're here. Made it to St. James's Park, which is such a juxtaposition from being in the hectic city in the square where Big Ben is, all the commotion, and then you go a couple blocks over, you find yourself in this beautiful park, all the green scenery, a peaceful fountain. It's just beautiful, and again continues to remind me of those New York City vibes. Time for afternoon tea yet. I'm so hungry. It's not even afternoon, it's 11:30 and I'm starved. We've been walking since like 9 a.m. So quick matcha break. Get a little energy for the rest of our walking tour. Coconut milk and everything. I'm telling you, London is where it's at. Up next, Trafalgar Square. Looks like Trafalgar Square is under construction. We won't even get to step on the square. Let's not get hit by a bus. quite uneventful. Not only because of the construction, but there's also a bunch of school tours. I'm glad we saw it. Next stop, we're off to see the Queen. Actually, I don't think the Queen's in the palace, but next stop, Buckingham Palace. Just finished up walking around Buckingham Palace, obviously walking around the outside of Buckingham Palace, and I have to say it is beautiful, but Big Ben takes the cake as far as the architecture and the magnificence of it. No guard change today, but there was a few guards posted at the front of the palace. They looked like they were 1,000 degrees. I am over here in like a t-shirt and leggings and I'm dying of heat, and those hats, all that fur, big heavy jackets, it looks pretty miserable on a sunny summer London day, but gotta do what you gotta do to protect the Queen. That is it for our walking tour of London. You can find the list below of all the places that we visited. Obviously, you can do a much more extensive tour and actually go into a lot of these places. But if you want to just do an overall sightseeing of London at your own pace, highly recommend a self-paced walking tour. Thank you, London, for all the amazing sightseeing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next country. Cheers! Oh my gosh, guys, we found one. Okay, this one, we can actually go into this.